Well, here's a guy I know who's made lots of the girls' hearts beat faster while they're screaming their little hearts away. Here's my first hot country guest, my good friend, Conway Twitty.
Saturday night on Field Street, the old man played the blues. He made the guitar talk, he did the duck walk, two-tone wingtip shoes. He wore midnight black sunglasses, hippest I've ever seen. The man was a blind